it's over, but you should've known it. I wasn't going.
Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Nancy Vlogs, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome and thank you for always clicking on my videos. Today is on Sunday. I'm in a hurry. I'm about to step out. We're going with my friend to Karura, and it's a little bit late, but we had planned to go, so we are going regardless. So I want to just finish up fast and then take a motorbike. We're going to meet at the stage, so I'll catch up with you guys later. I just wanted to come here and introduce this vlog. I hope it's not going to be chaotic as it's starting off with. We could have opted to go tomorrow, but tomorrow is on 8th April. There's that thing about the eclipse. I don't know if it's going to happen, but I'm not planning to get out of this house tomorrow. So, and I don't know. I think I'll come back with everything that I'm going to need for tomorrow. Yeah, this is how I'm looking. I'm going to be trained how to ride a bike. That's what is taking us there. And this is going to be my look. I'm going to carry this because this Nairobi weather, you can trust it. Let me just wear it first, and then I'll remove it when we get there, because I'm going to use a motorbike. I'm a lover of accessories, so if there's one thing that I want to do, even if I'm running late, is accessorize. I will accessorize any day, anywhere. And I need to carry my power bank because I'm not planning to carry 2 phones. I don't want bags, so I just have to carry my power bank. Yep. I will not be carrying the wallet actually. I'll just have to carry some cash. Yeah, that would be enough. I'm carrying this bag, so I'm going to stack my cash. That's for that guy. I have my wipes, power bank, and my charger. Of course, I can't live without my lip gloss. This is a chaotic get ready with me. I was not planning for this, but I just decided to introduce this vlog, because this is the only way I'm going to vlog, and get the vlog ready for Wednesday if I start. If I don't, I will never vlog. So I'm done. I'll see you later, guys. Kambi.
Uko na feeling. Yesha, ukiwa almost.
Naito life.
Being a woman.
Au mtu akujaji. Wana shoot na yeye. Kile inaweza kuwa friendship mzuri. Na mbona zilikuwa zinakujanga time ya sherehe ushago?
Hadi wa leo
Zinakulanga chakula? Maji ni chafu. Mani venye kunanyesha. Huku.
Lakini ile barabara ya
It's criminal to sell Karura forest animals and plants. Hey loves, welcome back to this vlog. Today is on Monday. Yesterday I went to Karura but I didn't make to cycle. We went there late. But today is Monday and I have a very wonderful package here from my friend. She's here. She's behind there. You can see her well. I wanted to show you guys what she brought me. Because guys, look. This is a bag. Oops. Full of avocados. This is how well like my friends know me. These are avocados. And in this bag we have arrowroots. I love arrowroots. This is what I'm going to have for dinner actually. And she also got me this. I know you're waiting for you want me to open here and see so that you can see what's inside here. Yeah, it's maize flour for ugali. And in this bag we still have some more things, cabbages. Like I don't even need to go to do grocery shopping for now because I have this. This will take me a long way, so I am happy. Yeah, thank Thank you, Hey, you. Can you see us? So guys, I'll catch up with you later, maybe when I'm doing or I'm making dinner. Yeah, I'll definitely catch up with you.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grass, laying side by side. You could be my baby, wanna make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Dinner is ready. This is how it's looking. My friend is still here, so we are going to eat with her. We are taking this and arrowroots. Yeah.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed.